Get that surge. 655, 56, 57, 58, 59. And I'm out. Let's go. Right off from 620s all the way up to 660s. Nice 40-cent rip on that. There's my $1,000, guys. Put me up over $10,000 profit on the day. Let's go. Happy New Year. That's what we do here at Trading Learning 101, guys. We make money. $10,000. Told you guys I was going to try to get that for us today. Good push. Way to be patient and let the play work out. If you're interested, sign up for the Day Trading Masterclass. All the perks included with the Day Trading Masterclass. Once a month live stream class on the Day Trading Masterclass. We do twice a month private study group sessions with members only every Friday. Every other Friday, I will say. You get member-only videos, and you get full access to the Discord. Or if you don't want the Day Trading Masterclass, and you just want to be a part of the Discord chat room, for $20 a month, get to see what all the members are talking about, what stocks they're trading, learn with them, see what stocks I'm trading and looking at every day. For paydays like this on EBON, PLTR, BTBT, who can live stream and make $10,000 in a day? Come on. That's how we end out 2020 going into 2021. Can I get a heck yeah? Let's go.